Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for MSC Nursing Entrance Exam step by step. Start by making a realistic study timetable that mixes theory, practical topics, and revision. Prioritize high-weight subjects and schedule active recall and spaced repetition sessions. Use short daily goals and one weekly mock test to track progress. Keep study blocks focused, take brief breaks, and adjust the plan as needed to stay consistent and calm. Use active recall and spaced repetition to lock in core nursing concepts and drugs, including dosages and protocols. Convert notes into concise flashcards and explain topics aloud as if teaching a peer. Regularly time yourself on past papers to improve speed and exam mindset. Balance deep study days with lighter review sessions and ensure you revisit weak areas frequently until accuracy and confidence both improve steadily. Select one reliable textbook per subject and complement it with high-yield notes or flashcards for quick review. Schedule weekly group study to clarify doubts, discuss tricky cases, and test each other. Reserve daily slots for clinical scenario questions and anatomy diagrams, focusing on application more than rote memory. Keep a progress journal to log topics completed, scores on mocks, and areas needing extra reinforcement for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.